Welcome to drillingcontractor.org. I'm Alex Indris, and joining me today at OTC 2016 is Bo Anderson. He's the Vice President of Technology for AF Global. Bo, thanks for chatting with us today.
Not a problem. Glad to be here.
So recently, AF Global released a new riser gas handling system. Can you tell us about the new system and how it works to mitigate riser gas risks, especially offshore and deepwater rigs?
The riser gas handling system is one that is integral to the rig's riser system, so it's somewhat seamless to them. And with this system, they can help mitigate any riser gas that happens to come into the riser. And what happens is that it allows you to control and hold the gas and release it in a controlled manner, so you don't have problems like unloading the well.
What are some of the primary components of the riser gas handling system, and how do they work together to facilitate MPD applications?
Well, first and foremost, the MPD system has to have the addition of a RCD in the system. But what happens is you have a top and bottom crossover that allows you to get back to the rig's riser system. Then you have a drill string isolation tool that helps isolate the well bore so that you can do the changes out of the bearing assemblies and packer assemblies of the RCD. Then you also have a flow spool system that allows you to take returns back to surface to the distribution manifold and to the MPD manifold, so you can actually hold back pressure on the system to keep the gas from getting out of solution.
So I understand that you've deployed this riser gas handling system offshore for several operators, including Petrobras, as well as other operators in the Gulf of Mexico. Can you tell us about some of the results you've seen so far from these applications?
Sure, we've also deployed in the Golden Triangle, most recently in the Gulf of Mexico with a major operator and contractor. They were able to save enough money on the very first well drilled that they paid for the entire system. Also, they were able to drill in a more efficient and more safe manner than they would have previously. Also, we've deployed in Latin America, most specifically Brazil, with a major operator down there and several contractors. The system has saved them tremendous amounts of money, also safer and more efficient operations down there, to where they can use a lighter mud weight to control the wells than they had previously.
Bo, thanks again for chatting with us. We appreciate your time.
Thank you.
And thank you, viewers, for joining us today at drillingcontractor.org.